So welcome back to Riotouch again. This is Barry. We got these giant big screens for conferencing and for schooling, but what will be interactive screens will benefit you, like you're doing the multimedia preview and to handling all complex files. Then with UFile the file manager app, that we can benefit you and make your live streaming your conferencing more easy than ever before. Now, firstly, let's truth checking some very simple and easy common multimedia. Firstly, about image. On image, they will show the pop-up window about each file type. Like we can notice this is our newest mode, the rock chip RK3588, and also some very detailed information about this image, this stock PNG file. So let's check in the modification types like September 9th and also the size resolutions. Even more powerful things. If you need this kind of image, this PNG file, you just set as wallpaper or even to insert it to the whiteboard and doing the annotation. Now let's change it and set to the whiteboard software. Okay, we are easily to access the whiteboard software and scroll it over. So previously, we need to insert and find an image, then it's more ever easy than before. Now let's back to the UFile file management app. Now let's continue checking. What about a video? Video is also commonly used medium that in our daily life for conferencing and schooling. It will show the first shot, like the very first image of the videos, the first pages, okay, and even more detailed news. And with double click, we can access and play this video, even do the settings. Now back again. What about MP4 file, MP3 file? This we will record the video. Based on the video, we can do the preview and play it. Okay. So that's all a very simple and common use medium like MP3, MP4, and image. What about you got more complex needs on the conferencing? Now let's check in. Based on the conferencing, you may get needs like MS Office, like the docx file, docword file. Then let's checking how we're going to handle it and get a preview. The firstly about the Excel file, get an online preview. Based on online preview, we can preview those things. They'll show some information about different sizes and just like content information. I got two charts shows IPD loading, like some information. And what if you want to check a doc file based on docs file, also check the online preview based on that preview, which is the user manual of the UMind whiteboard software, which is not empty. We need to scroll down and the bounded information will be just preview within the UFile, within this app. Now let's check in the more complex and contain more median things, the PowerPoint. I think this can take a little bit longer time than before. Okay, it's quicker than I expected. Within here, we can even choose to turn to different pages. Now let's check in if we to settings, which shows the construction of interactive flat panels by Riotouch. And also let's back to the 20s. Okay, we're successfully handling the docx file, docword file, even the PowerPoint. What if you get a more complex needs and like the VSD file, which is not commonly used, but like project and alignment and VSD file is checking again. Okay, let's back to the U file. And something on the xmind. Xmind is something about mind map. That shows the construction of something. And then initiating and let's checking. Okay, shows something on the percentage. Okay, it also works for the xmind file. Now let's checking another different xmind file. Things about exporting shows different returns like FOB, CIF. You can even choose the percentage to make zoom and zoom out. And finally, there's a very common things like MS Office, the conference needs, the basic multimedia, audio, image, and the MP3 files. So finally, what about image? Some very professional image like Photoshop, even the DWG, which is a professional design file based on different project. Then we got a preview here. We can also access and get a preview of the settings like CAD files. Then easily to scroll it over and choose the online preview. Let's check in here and that's back there. And something about the Photoshop files like online preview. Okay. Right. Also, for you to use an access based on a UFile, and let's choose something more challenging than ever before the 3D object. It's a 3D object which becomes docx file. And now let's check in. Based on a docx file, here's the 3D model that we can object from different angles